So, Department of Electrical Engineering, Power System Laboratory, efficiency and regulation of long transmission line. Okay, so we are calculating the efficiency and regulation of long transmission line. So, generally, the long transmission line, so efficiency and regulation is depending on the losses, okay, and voltage drops, okay, and wire compensation. So, using capacitor banks, so you can see here. Okay, you can see the what are the parameters required. So digital voltmeter and ammeter required. So wattmeter is required to calculate the sending and receiving end powers, and inductor coils, capacitors, okay, and load bank RL load maximum capacity is 5 amps, three phase transformer is a variac 415 by 415 volts 7 kVA and connecting wires. Okay, so in this uh, long transmission line, generally the short transmission line, medium transmission, long transmission line. In a short transmission line, we are not giving any capacitance. We are neglect the capacity effect. Medium transmission line, long transmission line, the capacity effect is present. So if the load is not present, if the load is not present, means no load and lightly loaded conduction. Due to the effect of this capacitance, the receiving end voltage is more than the sending end voltage. Means the Faraday effect will be present due to the effect of this shunt capacitance. Okay, so means the terminal voltage is more value. When why? Because the reactive power is more uh, giving to the line, so that the receiving end voltage is higher than the sending end voltage. So this is also problem. So that we are going for the compensation networks. Okay, so in the efficiency regulation, see this is a circuit diagram. We are giving the three-phase transformer or variac. From that we are taking the two wattmeters W1 W2 for the sending inside. So MLCV MC shorted and L2 ammeter to transmission line model R, and the V and V is connected to the shorted through the Y. Okay, and MC shorted. Okay, so this is the voltmeter across any two phases, and RY is a transmission line model. This is a LC like that. Okay, RLC. So RYB is a three-phase model. So each LC station is a 40 kilometers. The total 10 station is there in our laboratory. So total is a 400 kilometer simulation model, the transmission line model. So up to the receiving end side, we are also connected to the 1 ammeter. Okay, and the wattmeter MC shorted and L2 load. Resist load is the star connected, and V is connected to the through Y. These two are shorted, and MC shorted and L is connected to the Y. So and Y is connected to the load. So this is a star connect load. The maximum rating is 5 ampere. So for you are taking the first, you can take the no load values, and you can note the W1 W2 for the sending end, corresponding receiving end also, and current ammeter and voltmeter noted. Okay, and gradually one by one step you can increase the load. First you can apply the 1 ampere and 2 ampere and 3 ampere and 4 ampere. You can apply the rated current. Full load at 5 amps is a full load. Corresponding you can take the all the meter readings, ammeter, voltmeter, and corresponding watt meters. Okay, so this is the procedure. Tablet the readings and find out the efficiency and regulation. Okay, the efficiency and regulation formulas. So I am taking some sample readings also. So this is for no load condition. So even for no load condition, I am not applying any load, so that the efficiency is 0. Okay, and regulation is minus 1.136, and I am applying the load. Okay, so the load is 1 ampere, 3 ampere. So maximum load is the 5 ampere. So corresponding the efficiency is 96.15 and regulation is 1.703. Okay, basically this is the Faraday effect will happen here, full load condition. Okay, and sample calculation voltage regulation is sending end minus receiving end by no load to full load by full load. Okay, into 100, and efficiency is output power by input power. Okay, that's the calculation. So efficiency and regulation we are finding. Okay, this is the procedure and calculation and precautions of the long transmission line. So then we will connect the circuit and take the readings. Efficiency and regulation of a three-phase transmission line model. Now we are showing the experiment connections as per circuit diagram. Okay, we are giving the supply the three-phase supply. Now R, Y, B by the help of the auto transformer. So connections you can see. So from R to you can see the R to ammeter to wattmeter M, MC shorted, and L2 R phase R of the transmission line model. Okay, and one more wattmeter here from the B phase, B to M, MC shorted here, and L to B phase. Okay, and here common wattmeter 1 V and wattmeter 2 V is shorted, and from that we are taking the Y. Okay, and Y to transmission line model Y. Okay, and voltmeter across any two phases or R to Y or Y to B or B to R. So here I am connecting the R to Y. So this is the voltmeter, okay, connections, and then this is the sending end connections. Okay, and then transmission line model, this is the R, Y, B and neutral. Okay, and here I am connecting the LC connections. Here this is the transmission line model for 400 km for the simulation model. Now this is the receiving end. Here receiving end is the R phase, Y phase, B phase is there, and neutral. From R phase to ammeter, here connection R phase to ammeter to wattmeter of the receiving end side, wattmeter M, MC shorted, and L to R phase of the load. This is the load. That load is star connected load. Here you can see the star connected load. That load is 1 ampere, 2 ampere and 2 ampere. Total is the 5 ampere of the capacity of transmission line model. Okay, so this is the R phase, and you can see the B. So B to M of the second wattmeter, MC shorted, and L to B of the load. Okay, and then you can connect the Y phase, that Y phase to Y phase of the load. Okay, and here V and V is there. The 2 wattmeters of V is shorted, and from that I am taking the Y. Okay, so this and voltmeter across the any two phases, R to Y, Y to B and B to R. So here I am taking the R2, here the R2 and Y. So these are voltmeter connections. So these are the connections of the transmission line to find out the efficiency and regulation. Then we will see the practical. Start the experiment. So switch on the switch. Okay, so before switch on the switch, the auto transformer is minimum position. The auto transformer knob is minimum position. This is a precaution you should keep. Okay, keep in your mind. This is a minimum position, and switch on the experiment and slowly vary the auto transformer for 3 phase 440 volts. You can see the voltmeter 440 volts. Okay, now I am taking the 400 volts only. So by the help of the 3 phase auto transformer, the rated voltage I am applying. Okay, so that voltage is 400 volts. Corresponding, you can see the ammeters, wattmeter reading of the sending end side. Okay, so these are the connection for no load only. I am not applying any load for this now in this position. So this is, you can see the voltmeter. This is the 400 volts. Okay, 3 phase supply 400 volts I am applied by the help of the 3 phase auto transformer. So accordingly you can see the receiving end side. Correspondingly you can see the receiving end side. So you can see the voltmeter here. Sending end I have applied the 400.6. Here is the 401.2. Due to the effect of the shunt capacitor, the voltage is rises. Okay, so this is the Ferranti effect. Here we are noted. Okay, and corresponding ammeter you can see. So there is no load, we are not connected. So this is no load. No load case, the ammeter is 0, and wattmeter corresponding wattmeter is also 0. Okay, this is a no load. So you can take the no load reading also here to find out the efficiency and regulation. Okay, so no load reading is a 402.1 and ammeter is 0 and W1 W2. This is the receiving end wattmeter is also zeros. Okay, now we are apply the load is a 1 ampere here. Okay, and then correspondingly you can observe the reading. So here 395.8 voltage and the corresponding ammeter is 1.067 and wattmeter, so you can take the readings, corresponding readings for a 1 ampere load. Then you can apply the one more load, is a 2 ampere. Okay, so 2 ampere is the total is a 3 ampere. 2 ampere reading and one is total the 3 ampere is the load, corresponding voltmeter, corresponding ammeter and the wattmeters W1 and wattmeter W2. Okay, so these are the 3 amperes. Now you can apply the full load. So there is a 5 ampere. You can see the 5 amperes. One more 2 ampere load here. So total is a 1 ampere, 2 ampere and 2 ampere. Total is a 5 ampere. So the transmission line model capacity is 5 ampere only. This is a full load condition. So at the full load condition, the corresponding voltage, receiving end voltage and receiving end current and the wattmeter, corresponding wattmeters you can take, and you can calculate the efficiency and regulation by the help of these values. Okay, and after that you can remove the loads step by step. After that you can remove the loads step by step. Okay, and then you can gradually decrease the auto transformer value also, auto transformer knob. Okay, so 402 is there. Don't turn off suddenly, so that voltage is goes to minimum. After that, switch off the panel. Okay, switch off the panel. So these precautions you should keep in your mind. Okay.